How to create a Blooket account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open up any web browser you want and now on the search bar, type www.blooket.com and press enter. Now on this website, if you already have an account, click on the login button. However, if you want to create a new account, click on the sign up button. Here you have two options. The first one is sign in with Google and the second one is sign up with email. Click on sign up with Google if you directly want to connect with your Google account. Click on sign up with email and here you need to enter your email address. Now if you have access to your email address, click on the first option here. If you do not, then check the second box that you can see. Then click on send verification code option. Once you click on this option, a code will be sent to you, so go ahead and check your email and then enter the code from here. Once you have entered the code, click on the confirm code button which is below. Now enter your password. So choose a password which will be easy to remember but also hard to guess for other people. Then click on the next button. Once you do, now you'll have to select a unique username. After entering that, check this box if you are at least 13 years of age. Now click on the Let's Go option. And as you can see, a new account has been created. Select teacher or student depending on who you are, and then you are good to go. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.